Carrot halwa or gajar ka halwa is a winter special dessert. Let's see how to make it. I have taken half kilo carrot and discard the green part. We will use only the orange part. Now peel the carrots. These are the winter special carrots, the halwa variety. Wash and grate the carrots. You can also use the regular variety of carrots. Now this grater is slightly big. So if the carrot is small, we will use the small grater so that you don't cut your hand. Now heat 2 tablespoons pure ghee in a kadai. You can use a mix of ghee and oil also. Now add 2 cloves. Add the grated carrots. We will stir fry this until the raw smell disappears. This takes a while. Now with half kilo carrot you will get approximately half kilo halwa, the ready product that is. So accordingly you will have to make as per the number of guests that you have. This is enough for 3 to 4 people. We can add 300 ml milk to the stir fried carrots. If you want to add mawa, you can add less milk and little water till the carrot cooks. Now keep stirring continuously. I have not added mawa, so I have added 300 ml milk. It will leave sides when the milk evaporates. If you add the sugar when there is milk content still in it, then the halwa will not become red. So once the milk evaporates, add the sugar, 1 cup. Stir to dissolve the sugar and cook the sugar on low flame. Don't let it burn, it will become caramelized otherwise. Add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder and cashew nut and raisins. You can add dry fruits of your choice, chopped pista, almond, whatever you prefer. Keep stirring till it thickens. Once the sugar is cooked, it will become dry again. Now it is ready to serve. You can serve it hot, just like that, or with ice cream. Tastes good either ways. Subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Thank you.